us forward to town and welcome on our longest running swimsuit competitions and cultural dance shows, of course, only here. Let's forward to town. As I promise you, ladies and gentlemen, we will do this for you one by one for our hottest sizzling global sports nights, starting with candidate number 1, representing from Samar with a battle statistics of 34, 24, and 34. 5'2", 20 years of age, from Global Atlantis, give it up for Miss Rhea Brigole.
When the days are cold and the cards all fold and the saints we see are all made of gold, when your dreams all fail and the ones we hail are the worst of all and the bloods run stale. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. Oh, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we breed, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's beats time.
It's where my demons
That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, beats is the only criteria for judging for this competition. Meaning, the more beats that they get, the more chances of their winning. You can buy your beats from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only goes for you for 100 pesos for special beats and 5,000 pesos for the golden beats. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. Candidate number 1, Miss Rhea Brigole from Global Atlantis. Ada apa? Ada. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 2, representing from City of Quezon with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 33. 4'8" in height, 22 years of age, representing House Bar with a gold number of T443. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Miss Chardon Haganoy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's beats time. Now, ladies and gentlemen, a friendly reminder. Wait for my call for the beats time to avoid any kind of accidents for our contestant. Thank you so much. On our top finalists. Once again, this is the only criteria for judging for this competition. Meaning, the more beats they've got, the more chances of their winning. Thank you so much, candidate number 2, Charlotte Haganoy, sorry. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 3, representing from the big land of Mega Manila, with a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 34. 5'5" in height, gentlemen, 30 years of age, with a gold number of 713, representing Global Meaning the more beats that they get, the more chances of their winning for the swimsuit competitions. Running for by the Scorpions Hotel. Any more beats, gentlemen? That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Beats are available for all the girls that are wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for 100 pesos per slice of beans and 5,000 pesos for the golden beans. Thank you so much once again, candidate number 3, Benedict Gampanan, representing Globe Atlantis. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, fourth spot is Shirley to Rock Road, representing from City of Bacolod, with a vital statistics of 32, 24, and 32. 4'9" in height, gentlemen, a fresh 26 years of age, with a gold number of D136. From Dollhouse Bar, put your hands together for Miss Jean Maris. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Beats time! Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 4, Jean Maris from Bacolod City, representing Dollhouse Bar. Next. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, for our 5th squad, representing from the Lantern capital of the Philippines, now I'm talking about Pampanga, with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 33. 5'5" in height, gentlemen, a fresh 21 years of age, with a gold number 428 from Globe Atlantis. Make some noise for Miss Ella Canilao.
Days are cold and the cards all fold. The saints we see are all made of gold. When your dreams all fail and the wrongs we held out.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Beats time.
Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. No, this is all for you. Don't wanna hide the truth. No matter what we breathe, we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. When you feel my heat, look into my eyes. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Darling, get too close. Can't stop inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide.
And our new gentlemen, thank you so much once again, gentlemen, contestant number 5, Ella Canilao. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, on our contestant number 6, representing from Leyte with a vital statistics 32, 25, and 37. 5'2" in height, gentlemen, a fresh 26 years. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, with a gold number of T409, representing Townhouse Bar. Big wave for Miss Amory Barreto.
Lights fade out, all the sinners crawl, so they dug your grave in the masquerade. We'll come calling out in the mess you made. Don't wanna let you down, but I am hellbound. No, this is all for you. Don't
Ladies and gentlemen, it's speed time.
we still are made of greed. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. When you look into my eyes, it's where my demons hide. It's where my demons hide. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. It's where my demons hide. It's where my demons
Janelle. Agent Janelle. Now, by the way, Janelle. And more beats, gentlemen. Once again, beats is the only criteria for judging for this competition, meaning the more beats that you get, the more chances of their winning. Thank you so much once again, Miss Amory Barreto. And here we go, another gentleman from our contestant number 7, representing from the Durian capital of the Philippines. I'm talking about Davao, with a vital statistics of 34, 24, and 34, 5'6" in height, 22 years of age, with a gold number of 760 from Globe Atlantis. Give it up for Miss Cielo Ion. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's beats time.
Oh, the skies will touch you. Yeah, I know what it feels like. You only walk dark, windy roads. I can tell 'cause I've been there in time. Oh, you know it's just something you say when you
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, beats are available from all the doors that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per square piece and a 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Beads is the only criteria for this combination, gentlemen. Meaning the more beads that they get, the more chances of their winning. So buy your beads now and give it to your favorite candidates. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. Candidate number 7, Cielo Ion. And to continue, ladies and gentlemen, to our contestant number 8, representing from the Bellfish capital of the Philippines. Now I'm talking about Pangasinan, with a vital statistics of 32, 23, and 32, 5'3" in height, 26 years of age, with a gold number of T555, representing Townhouse Bar, chosen now for Miss Dan Gineta.
Knowing inside a brand new tune. No right Songs like fire, they burn together. Will we fall? We know we fall together. Feel your heartbeat rising. Keep it high. All things meant to last.
Once again, that was Miss Jen getting that time. We're about to tonight. And to continue, ladies and gentlemen, on Lucky Line spot, representing from the capital city of the Philippines, and I'm talking about Metro Manila, stars 36, 26, and 37. 5'2" in height, a fresh 20 years of age, with a code number of D082, representing Townhouse Bar. Give it up for Miss Alexa Armanjon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's beats time! That's right, once again, ladies and gentlemen, beats is the only criteria for judging of these nominations. Buy your beats and give it to your favorite candidates. Beats are available for all the girls that wearing red shirts, that roaming around the area, and all the cost for you for 100 pesos per slice of beats, and 5,000 pesos for the golden beats. Any more beats?
Step by step, we make our way. When the night is gone and the morning comes, like a rising sun, we will recover.
Representing from the summer capital of the Philippines, I'm talking about Subic Bay, with a code number of D163, and has battle statistics of 36, 27, and 38. 5'7" in height, gentlemen, 22 years of age, representing Townhouse Bar. Give it up for Miss Mia Guabao. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Beats time.
Tonight we're forever young. Yeah, tonight we're forever young.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the only criteria for judging of this competition. Meaning the more bids they get, the more chances of their winning. So buy your bids and give it to your favorite dates. Bids are available for all the doors that proving red shorts that proving around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos for sponsored bids and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads.
This is our life. This is what counts. This is for us. I will go anywhere for you.
Thank you so much once again, gentlemen. Miss Mia from the house. And more bids, gentlemen. And of course, once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Scoreboard Hotel Club running swimsuit competition here in Asia. And it's about time they and it's gonna be your chance to meet and greet for candidates. All you need to do is buy them some drinks. And to start out our contestant number 1, Miss Bria from Samar. Anyone here who wants to buy some drinks for Miss Bria, please raise your hands. Anyone, gentlemen? Bria is available for ladies' drink, gentlemen. This is gonna be your chance to meet and greet with her, and of course, might be a chance to win their heart as well. Bria is single and available, ready to mingle. Anyone from here wants to buy some drinks for Miss Rhea, please raise your hands. Does anyone here wants to buy some drinks? To all our single gentlemen out there, that's gonna be your chance. You don't need to be lonely, gentlemen. Rhea is available for ladies' drinks. Anyone wants to buy some ladies' drinks, please raise your hands. Are you raising your hands, sir? Some drinks for Miss Bria, please raise your hands. Anyone? Ray is available for ladies' drinks. Thank you so much, Bria. By the way, Ray is available for ladies' drinks. who want to buy her some drinks, you can ask our lovely waitresses. Moving on to our contestant number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, a fresh 22 years of age from Quezon City is available for ladies' drinks, Miss Charlotte. Anyone who wants to buy some drinks for Miss Charlotte, please raise your hands. A customer wants to buy some ladies' drinks on the second floor. I thought you were raising your hands. Anyone? Is this only for one? How many drinks, sir? 1 drink over in here. 2 drinks over at the second floor. Anywhere higher than 2 drinks? 2 drinks over. Anywhere higher for that? 3 drinks. Where is it? Alright, the 3 drinks over there. Anywhere higher than 3 drinks? Please raise your hands. Charlotte is single and available, gentlemen. 4 drinks. Alright. 4 drinks upstairs. Higher than 4 drinks? Calling once? Higher than 4 drinks? Calling once? Calling twice? We got a winner of 4 drinks over on the second floor. Thank you so much. Don't worry guys, we still have a lot of girls in here. Alright, so moving on to our contestant number 3 from the capital city of the Philippines, gentlemen. A Manila girl right now is single and available. Anyone who wants to buy some drinks for these lovely ladies right next beside me, please raise your hands. Let me see your hands for those single and available gentlemen out there. That's right, gentlemen. Betty is available for ladies' drinks. All you need to do is raise your hands over a 1 drink over there. And we're higher than 1 drink. Is that so? 1 drink's over there. Alright, I think that's gonna be our lucky guy. Thank you so much. You can proceed there. Alright. And of course, we have in this one as well. Contestant number 4, gentlemen, representing from the state of Smile, Bacolod City. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jean is available for ladies' drinks. All you need to do is raise your hands. Anyone who wants to buy some drinks from these lovely young ladies right next beside me, gentlemen. Gentlemen, never been kissed, never been touched, but totally amazing. Please raise your hands if you want to buy some ladies' drinks for these lovely ladies right next beside me. Anyone? Ano yan? Meron pa pins? Hey, they have one over there for 2 ladies' drinks on the bar. Is there any higher than 2 ladies' drinks? 2 drinks higher? I think we have already a winner. Congratulations, sir. Alright. So moving on to our contestant number 5, gentlemen, representing my hometown, Pampanga. And of course, as we always know, basta ka Pampangan, manyaman. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Ella is available for ladies' drinks. For all those single gentlemen out there, single boy out there, please raise your hands if you want to buy her some ladies' drinks. Ella is available for ladies' drinks, gentlemen. All you need to do is raise your hands and you can have a chance. Yes? Are you raising your hands, sir? Yes, 1 over drinks at the second floor. 1 drinks over at the second floor. Anywhere higher than 1 drinks? Yeah. Alright, I think we have a winner already. Yes, congratulations, sir. Yeah, you can proceed there, Ella. Ayun, ito sa last time. To Sir Jason. Moving on, gentlemen, to our contestant number 6. Gentlemen, representing from Leyte, Miss Amari. Anyone from here wants to buy some drinks for Miss Amari? This is gonna be your chance, gentlemen, to meet and greet and sit right next beside you. Might be, we never know, not just only for drinks, might be you can win your heart as well. Yes! How many over do you want, sir? I want a drink over in front of me. Anyone higher than one drink that can offer to Miss Amari? Anyone? No 2 drinks? That was a literal close fight. That's a literal close fight. And 2 drinks over by your friend. This is just a friendly game. And 2 over. Anywhere higher than 2. Hey, how many drinks, sir? We have 2 higher, 2 over there. 3 over there. 3 over. 3 ladies drinks over. Is there higher than 3 drinks? How about you, sir? 3 drinks. You think? Is there higher than 3 drinks over? Calling once? Calling twice? Alright, I think we have a winner already. 3 drinks. And we have here as well, representing from Davao City, ladies and gentlemen, at 22 years of age, Miss Shallow is available for ladies drinks. Is anyone wants to buy some ladies drinks from this lovely ladies right next with me? Please raise your hands. Yes, sir. 1 drinks over there. 1 drinks over. Is there higher than 1 drink? Higher than 1 drink? How many? 2 drinks over at the 2nd floor. 2 drinks. 2 drinks over. Is there higher than 2 drinks? Oh, 3 drinks over there. Wow. That's gonna be a good fight. 3 drinks on my right side. Higher than 3 drinks. That's right, gentlemen. 22 years of age, gentlemen. Look at that. What a lovely lady is. That's gonna be your chance. 3 drinks over at the right corner. Anyone higher than 3 drinks? Call it once. Call it twice. And I think we got a winner. 3 drinks. Get it from our good-looking gentleman out there. Don't worry, we still have a lot in here, gentlemen. Alright. So moving on to our contestant number 8. Representing gentlemen from Pangasinan City, Miss Dan is available for ladies drinks. Anyone wants to buy some ladies drinks for these lovely ladies? How many drinks, sir? 2 drinks already over. And this good guy wearing red shirt. 2 drinks. 2 drinks over. Is there higher than 2 drinks that you can offer with these lovely ladies right next with me? Anyone? Call it once. Call it twice. We got a winner. Congratulations. That good looking gentleman with a red shirt. Alright, gentlemen. I have you here as well from Mega Manila, a Manila girl, gentlemen. Single and available, ready to mingle, and available for ladies drinks as well, once again, gentlemen. Does anyone here wants to buy some ladies drinks for Miss Alexa? Please raise your hands. Alexa is available for ladies drinks. How many drinks? 1 drinks over at the right side. Is there higher than 1 drinks? 2 drinks over on my left side. 2 drinks. We have 2 drinks over already here. 2 drinks. 3 drinks over. We got a 3 drinks. Alright, and then we have already a winner of 3 drinks at the 2nd floor. Congratulations, sir. And we have here as well, gentlemen. Oh no, this is the fresh 19 years of age, gentlemen. A fresh 19 years old. Anyone wants to buy some drinks from Miss Eliza? Please raise your hands. How many drinks? How many drinks, sir? One drink offer in this murder. Gentlemen, representing from my hometown, a proud Kapampangan, as we all know, Basta Kapampangan. You know the drill. 2 drinks, alright? 2 drinks over in here. Is there higher than 2 drinks? Is there higher than 2 drinks in here? Alright, a 4! Wow! Good looking gentlemen, you need to have this one. You need to win this because you are lonely there. You don't need to be lonely. A 4 drinks, higher than 4 drinks. Anyone? Anyone can bet higher than 4 drinks? Calling once. Calling twice. Gentlemen, 19 years of age. Never been kissed. Never been touched. But totally dazzling. Calling once. Calling twice. Congratulations, you deserve it. Again, look at gentlemen over there. You don't need to be lonely, sir. Alright. And we have here as well, candidate number 9. Mia. I'm sorry, 11, rather. Sorry. I won. Candidate number 11, gentlemen, Miss Mia is available for ladies' drinks. Please raise your hands if you want to buy her some ladies' drinks. Mia is available for ladies' drinks, gentlemen. Single and available. Might be to win her as well, gentlemen. Alright, one over here. One over ladies. 3 ladies' drinks. 3 ladies' drinks over at the corner. Oh wow! 3 ladies' drinks. It's gonna be a 3. Higher. The 3 is the higher, sir. No, that one. We have already 3. How many for you? A 3. Oh, 4 over. All right, we got an over there. 4 ladies' drinks at the second floor. Any more higher than 4? A 5 over here. 5 ladies' drinks. 5 over. 5 ladies' drinks over in here. The thing, we get big. 5 ladies' drinks in here. Any more higher than 5 drinks? Calling once. Calling twice. 5 ladies' drinks is the highest. Alright, I think we have a winner. Yes, 5 ladies' drinks over by our good friend out there. Yes, and of course, once again, Rhea as well is also available for ladies' drinks. Gentlemen, she's available for ladies' drinks. Please raise your hands. There you go. How many drinks? Yeah, we got good over there. Alright. 2 ladies' drinks in here. 2 ladies' drinks. Any more higher than 2 drinks? I want to see your hands. Any more higher? Calling once. Calling twice. I think we have a winner. Congratulations, sir. 2 ladies' drinks over by this guy on the red shirt. Thank you so much, guys. See you again on the second set that we're going to be having later on tonight. More fun and excitement continue right down here. Gentlemen, just sit down and relax and enjoy the rest of your Sunday night here in Scarborough Hotel.
Name Gregory? No. Yeah. Okay, I watch your vlog all the time. How you doing? Watch the guy.
Put your mind off, take a deep breath, let it all go. I know I'm not perfect. We speak a language of your heart. I want you to know now.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, keeping entertained right here, the heart of Metro as in the city's Corpus Hotel, one of the pride performers from Dollhouse Bar. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare yourself, hold your breath, and behold for these amazing Dollhouse pole dancers, and they call themselves the Rolling Tenders. Roland Sanders. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, catch them rightly. Of course, at the Dollhouse Bar, their set starts at exactly 9 p.m. onwards. Thank you so much.
Sorry guys, I need to go home because my flight after 3 hours. I will go to another country and I will show a next video. Next time I will again filming in Scorebirds and also live stream. So